What's going on, family? Black Phoenix coming to you this morning. Just wanted to say something before I start my day off. I had someone say, man, you be on it. And, bro, I feel like in this day and time, you can't waste time if you got an idea, if you got a dream, a passion, a goal, or something you're trying to do, or something you're trying to reach. Sometimes you have to go on and push the gas pedal and go on and go that extra mile. Because honestly, if you think about it, to me personally, to get your ideal off the ground, to start a business, to be independent, it doesn't cost what you think it costs. I mean, it really is affordable, but you have to go out and find those sources to make it happen. I had a guy tell me the other day he spent at least 200, 250 going on this job interview, buying clothes, getting gas, having to go back again and do another one. So I thought about it. I said, hey, man, you could have started a business with the money you spent trying to get a job. And he was like, what you mean? I was like, man, what it is you do? He said, man, I sell cars. I was like, man, you can be an agent, have an LLC and be an independent agent and have your own service that you provide to other car lots. And he was like, you know what, I never thought of that. I was like, man, I'm just saying, think independent. Sometimes you have something, a jewel with you the whole time and you won't use it. You know what I mean? Me personally, I just feel like I'm at the point in my life where I want to work with people, not for people. Can't work for you, but I can work with you. You know what I mean? So I'm cool with that. But I have to have my own product, my own service, because I know in America, for me to be a black Native American, that's my freedom. Is to have that. Like, that's how I'm going to be free to be able to enjoy family, to be able to travel, to be able to do things. I have to have my own. I have to make my own money. You know what I mean? Because if I'm going to just go and get a handout or go put some time in, like getting a job, I'm knowing I'm only going to get so far. I can only save so much when you got expenses, cost of living. It's going up. Gas going up. Your check is still the same. You know what I mean? So you have to think independent, in my personal opinion. So that's why I thrive and I push and I do whatever I have to do to go the extra mile, because I don't want to be average. Like, I don't want to just be stuck just paying bills and stuck just barely getting by, and you know what I mean? So I want to have something I can be able to pass on, and I sure don't want my kids to go through this. So if I can prevent them from having a job and creating a job for themselves, even in their teens, like before they even get to their teens, if their mind is like that. So on my daughter, I'm always on her. On my son, I'm getting them, both of them art kits. Like, both of them like to draw. I can see them being engineers. My son, he like the hands-on and the drawing, so I can see him doing both. You see what I'm saying? So I'm going to cultivate that now. I'm going to plant seeds in that now. So I started buying them art kits. I motivate them. Hey, let me know what you need. Okay, you want to do this? Okay, let's see what we can do to make that happen, because that's what we got to do. We're going to break the chains if we're going to really make something happen with this generation. Starting a new year, we have to open our minds up and start planting valuable seeds. It ain't all about what you wear. I wear work clothes a lot. I don't have to, you know what I mean? But I'm not on the flashy stuff no more. You see what I'm saying? I'm trying to make something happen and really have something. In order for me to do that, I got to invest. I got to push. So when I come up with something and I see something, I just go on and go to the extra mile, man. You know what I mean? So I feel like that's what we got to do. So when I came up with this, my welding skid, I went the extra mile, man. You know what I mean? I just wasn't talking about it. I was being about it. And that's what you got to do if you're going to make something happen. Hog on.